Hi guys, welcome to CCNA for Beginners. This is an 8-week course. This video is going to be about 10 to 15 minutes. This is just an introduction. So if you like this video and you think we can help you learn networking from beginner level to from zero experience, and we can help you with job assistance, please watch this video completely. If you like it, you can register for the first day free class. It depends on what month the class is running, but usually you get a promotion or when you send us a message on WhatsApp, we'll let you know when the next dates are. But this is a 10 to 15 minutes video on our 8 weeks program about CCNA for beginners. This is a complete zero experience needed for this course. Okay, so let's get started. I'll answer most of the common questions that you have. I ask that you watch this video completely. And if you have any question that's outside this video, then please reach out to us. This will avoid a lot of late replies from us, and this will save us some time to please just go through this video. Okay, thank you so much. Let's get started. So, what is this course about? So this course is about CCNA for beginners. We cover from the basics of CCNA, and then we cover all the way to intermediate advanced level into CCNA for you to pass the exam. And we cut out all the things that's unnecessary, so you have focus on the exam, plus practical experience for CCNA as well, okay? That is what this course focuses on. Who is this course designed for? This course is designed for anyone with zero experience. You don't need to have any technical background. You don't need to have any sort of programming language experience or anything like that. As long as you know how to operate a computer basically, install and uninstall software basically, and join Google Meets basically, and have the courage to continue this course and have the willpower to complete this. This will be a challenging course. This will take some time away from your personal life so you can complete this course. But at least at week 9, you should be able to pass CCNA. Okay. What will be covered in this course? Take a look at the course outline. This has been strategically made by myself as the founder of CTech Training Center to make sure to give you pass mark on CCNA with experience as well. Without experience, CCNA certification is just a piece of paper you're having. Okay, so I just want to be very clear. This course also focuses on experience as well. And this is how it works. Okay, week 1, it's introduction to networking week. We cover what is networking and how does network works. Network devices like routers, switches, firewall. We cover the OSI model and data flow in networks. From week 1, you'll have a very good understanding of networking concepts, and there will be assignments and there will be quizzes for each week. Okay, and you must complete the assignments and you must complete the quizzes. Week 2 will be IP addressing and subnetting made easy. It'll be very easy for you to understand IP addressing and subnetting. You'll do IPv4 basic and classes, public versus private addressing, and hands-on subnetting practices. And as I said again, each of these weeks will have their own assignment, will have their own quizzes. This is to make sure to give you more improvements in knowledge and as well understanding of concept, okay? Week 3, we have switching and VLAN configuration. So switching concepts and MAC addresses, VLANs and trunk links, inter-VLAN communication demos. And again, there's quizzes and there's assignment for each single week, okay? And at the end of the third week, you'll have a very good understanding how switches and VLAN configuration works, and you will be able to do these practically as well, okay? Not just theoretically, okay? Week 4, you'll do routing fundamentals, router basics and routing tables, static versus dynamic routing, configure static routes in packet tracer. Week 5 is dynamic routing using OSPF or RIP. RIP and OSPF concept is the latest concept. You have a very hands-on experience with this as well. Configuring OSPF on routers, verifying network connectivity. Week 6 is DHCP, DNS, and NAT configuration, IP, automations, and DHCP, how DNS resolves, domain names, configure static and dynamic NATs. Again, guys, each one of these weeks will have 1 to 2 assignments, maybe even 3, and a quiz to make sure that you go full into the concept and for you to work on each one of those concepts and become expert at each one of those concepts, okay, to pass your CCNA and have a practical experience. Week 7 will be access control list and network security. What is ACL and why it matters? Securing traffic and restricted access, troubleshooting network settings. Week 8 will be full network lab and troubleshooting, integrated VLANs, routing, network NATs and ACL's access control list. And this is going to be where you show off everything, all you learned in this class in week 8, common network problems and fixes, live troubleshooting scenarios. Okay, we'll go through them. So now you have completed this course at week 8. At week 9, it'll be a CCNA exam preparation and career guidance. We'll have a session on CCNA exam overview and registration process, study tips and practice questions, networking career path, help desk to networking, or whatever, however you want to start your careers, and we'll give you guidance on it. Resume review and job assistance. So this is pretty much 8 weeks program, but there's one additional week for the CCNA exam prep and resume building help. Okay, and this is very crucial as well. And each one of these until week 8, you will have assignments, preferably 2, maybe 3, or sometimes 4 assignments per week with quizzes as well to make sure you have very good hands-on experience and as well as practical experience and as well as test the concept if you understand it properly. Okay. And you would need to have 200% commitment to this course, please, okay, if you want to start this course. The next is, I know a lot of you guys may be thinking, is this training online or in person? This is 100% online training, okay? When we say practical, right now, all CCNA examinations or anything that can be done through something called Packet Tracer. 95% of all the commands can be done through Packet Tracer. If there is still other things, we do have in-person facility as well. There is in-person training, but it's very limited space and it gets pretty full up when we do, but it doesn't make a huge difference when it comes to pass the exam and have practical understanding. We can, if you want to have a one-day session here, you can book a one-day session with us for in-person as well. It is limited time and the slots you have to book in advance. And when you call CTEC Training Center, they'll tell you the costing for the day program or anything like that. This would be once you complete online. If you do need it, then you book on demand. Okay, it's not something it comes with default. You don't need to. All CCNA courses can be done online, completely online, and you can pass with a 90, anywhere from 88 to 98% pass rate from just online from our practice from our online courses. Okay, everything can be done through Packet Tracer. Next is this course enough to get a networking job? 100% not. That I'll tell you right now. You'll need to get a CCNA job, and we will work with you, and we will connect you with the top recruiters in Canada, so for you to give job assistance. This course does come with a job assistant as well, which means I want you to be very clear. CTEC Training Center is not an agency, okay? We will connect you with recruiting agencies who you work with, and they'll help you find a job, and you are to actively apply as well. You do have to apply on behalf of yourself. You do have to search it. We'll give you the tools to you to do that, but it's still in your effort. Okay. Do we provide job assistance? Yes, we do provide job assistance in a way that we will connect you with the top recruiters in Canada. We work with about 10 to 15, sometimes even 20, depending on who's available at the time, right? But we do job assistance. You still have to apply. CTEC Training Center will not apply on behalf of you. We will never ask you for commission. None of the agencies who we work with will ask you for commission. We do not help for anyone that does not complete this course. Please do not come and contact us for job assistance only. We do not do that. Okay. It is part of the course. Once you complete the course and once you get the certification is when we will connect you with the recruiting agencies. How to join the first free class? Well, send us a WhatsApp message when you see the promotions, or just send us a general WhatsApp message at the number below, which is 416-700-3896, or you can see it from Google as well, the same number, and we will send you the registration link for this class, and you can go ahead and join the first free class. And if you like it, then you can pay whatever the course fee is and join this course. Okay, the course fee is usually $1,500. It's a 2-month program, but it depends on any promotions. Just contact us and we'll let you know what the exact price is. Okay. How do you make the payment for the course? On the day one, we will let you know. There's an e-transfer email, there's a credit card payment. So you can contact us and we'll let you know, or you can send us a WhatsApp message and we'll let you know the contact, how to make the payments, so that it's individualized. Okay. So about CTEC Training Center, CTEC Training Center began its journey in 2029, originally focusing on ethical hacking. That's what we focused on from 2019 to 2023. We were teaching globally and in Canada as well. We operated 100% online at the time because it was just never COVID time, and a lot of things were happening 100% remote, helping students across Canada and even globally as well to break into IT field, right? But in 2024, we proudly established our own physical location. which is located at 4168 Finch Avenue East, Scarborough, Ontario. It's in the top floor, which is called the penthouse. Our unit is number 5. Our mission was born from realization that there was a major gap between entry-level IT training and real industry expectation. With years of consulting experience that I have, we built a program that bridges the gap and practical job-focused training. Our training focus is not just getting a certification, but it's to how do you apply at real life workplace. Okay. We alternatively partner with credible recruiting agencies and hiring agents across Canada to ensure our students have the highest chance of landing a job. All of our job assistance programs focuses on real world job ready skills rather than purely certification based learning. Okay, that is the difference that CTEC Training Center brings. The institution, we focus on job ready skills, but that is to get you certification. But the certifications are useful too, but we give you the skill that you need when you go to the job place itself. Okay. And again, I want to really emphasize CTEC Training Center is not a job recruitment agency. We are a training institution. We do provide job assistance for people who have completed our course. We do not do job assistance if you don't complete any of our courses. And you must follow the strict policies we have, which means completing assignments and completing the quiz, which shows your commitment to this course and commitment to the job itself. Okay? And we are here to work with you to make sure you land a job. And we will work with you until you land a job, which means that we will not apply on behalf of you. We will not, tell you exactly these are the things to apply for, and these are the things you should be changing in your resume. But we will work with you to ready your resume. We will give you all the tips and tricks that you need to know how to apply, but it's still in your hands to apply, and it's still your 200% effort. But we're there to guide you. Okay. If you really like this, I would, if you contact us, we'll let you know when is the next available or starting batches. These batches do get really quick, really fast. We have over 200 messages at any given point in time. So please request us for it, and you'll get a quick reply from us about the registration. Go ahead and register for the first free class. If you like it, make the payment before the deadline, and you should be able to join the class. I'll see you there in the free class. Okay. Take care.